Yeah. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. My lovely people, I beg. I want beg una one thing. Wala wo if you do any mose. A channel wa beg roduku na. Lady Sweet Saga TV. You may subscribe. You la wo go me ya subscribe your channel ni. Ya tie rege. No win your comfortable. Nene mi no ma comfortable. No win your yellow no mose no ma mose. Shen Francis Odigie. Make una call and come. Why ya tie no do receive sense. We video ni here una. Message to Shine or Digie or Shine Francis. I don't really know. The desperado. No gualacate no hair married by fire by force. No donya poto with social media no de. Hey. Egbe don gas for that our sister be our Edo actress, my people. No be small thing o. She come out con poto for social media and now she dey try to cover up. Hey, una really many wey be say e dey live fake life for social media. Fake life. You dey come out now come dey tell us say na prank. Hey. Ew. Wo bo sunu with social media na ji. No pa ladian we pranking no pa we pranking no. E prank ogbelu wa nwa. No wa na mo marriage wa dey social media na me we. Say dey mi orun pa we. Wa woda fun we wa me problem wa me issue wa ri te wo wa ye ijeme kwese dem wa ye wa fava o ibi be ono na ge vo wa tin ge comfortable nenemi gallant wife gallant nenemi aka ni bun lare do total manu do receive sense wo mo matter we la dey social media we order fun we of you no woto because onye we magba oguvio no woto wo we do la dia weri ono emi he me no wa kin wa woda fun we oni kiss me ko wa do cover up after all the injury no for we face na dia wa do cover up my sister ni tama we mi o wa na egui ori me ma be perfect gbe mi o do wa me na egui you know that is no need no hear more la dia social media wa we wa woda fun we wa we gbe settle don't bring your issue out of social media because una money issue like social media with your kagbe of social media aproko the godmother me ogwana magu analyze magu tell magu show magu blog in short you understand so everybody will be say wahia no wala diana even I never see confirm one wey I still dey see for social media now ko family maybe she still dey let us dey know say him with him husband say dem no dey in good time now say dem dey quarrel but one question wey I get for all of una wey dey come out abi na name of lemon wetin word of lemon abi love of lemon I don't even know I no wan know that name all of una wan go viral. This is not the way to go viral, my people, at all of una just dey fuck up wetin dey worry all of una say for lord of lemon love of lemon abi lord of lemon oni we dore obokpa yesterday na chijoke oga bubu na he come still say he with his wife now they don settle now so nowadays if una wan go viral una never go viral reach una dey kill god for good so like say na una na be me una for don do wonder any view when I see na I dey take for this social media when I dey so I no dey do pass myself because we know say everything for this life na jeje o yes o life na jeje e no mean say you wan 5 million view you carry your marital home your marital problem carry am come out for social media come dey disgwagwalize come dey expose na so na one come take dey go viral that your own chef Francis one wey I have inugba ugwe esoladian with social media I have inugba esoladian with social media chef Francis abiogeru wala no mayana gelayate woman stand for woman may we stand for this our sister why e come be say this man deny e pikin we kere we am we my sister o we kwe momo agi eki you understand you better go settle down with your man. Just go settle with that man. If you be say una really get issue wey wagele gui because my sister owe akon ara kon ana we boya kon when let me say 3 years back we ye sogo o ma no ibere face we na when we face ni e ko gbe vi ne my sister me we me to be me be avance ne o because eji aga hiane bi gwega sokpia na una se ugi mi ove na mesha because when we je desperado working we bo we na gwa lodon we hia mare akate by fire by force don so udo mie no ladian ona be muigo na muyowo hu my sister you better pack well. You better pack well abi we regbu we mirror. Stop bringing your issue out of social media. A marriage you anything no soon inside your marriage, my sister. Ma heke no more. No more this social media. No do this gwagwa. No do ata or. Eri ogbe me o. Eri injo ma o. Wago gwe me una ton gwe mu. Kere ike na bege. Egile ariako eni no rugwe. Ekwe mgwe. Egbe tresi no gwe himself. The batteries in hinu na do aje gbo ma aje gbe ma later wa when we answer gawe but what obo wa mushula dia with social media wa wada for we wa me issue ban e we na e ko table wa o ma ro pa won e fe hon you are the one that coming out so ma go we tell no je my sister abeg may you enter house may you enter house but because have ni one we do any we me wan etia gbe we ni meje me ahia tia gbi me I go galantan where you understand all those kind comfortable aka yellow no mose negi mose understand emana ogien no pa gien my sister enter house so because if you no go settle with this man nobody nah because I see one lady wey talk say if they see you for the real ground without no makeup the way I say dey so you see no makeup at all ama very elunu every rao nothing show your real face when one makeup is ya ye siran ye show. So any issue that you have with your man right now my lovely sister you know we don't fight for you for that papa wella that time na so I dey say justice for shine Francis eruwella move go and do DNA to collect your daughter yes na me oni na vegbera we my sister ana kemi opopa le lo ma gbebe life na mo boma at least o heke ne kwekere be are you know na we gbedo ladi avono na o ka osunu o give her again we na hina later now you say me we not talk about am for wetin na no be you carry your market come give us may we help you sell am sister na you carry your market come give us so magu we kaka bo no what am voto that is make you for sell well etu we go viral na make we give you the viral may we help you viral yourself na or even viral son you understand my sister abeg enter house at least we me no we mu wela one ya o ma ke we do aladian we do complain you know because he who ave shabe ave new chances ya pokwa o pe anu we re ni we ya gwari you just better go settle down with your man just settle things with am because eji egire side we understand eji egire side we my sister hekini ma tell megbe just dey with that man ege we aro maybe we be reason we or wakpa another person dey eye me that eye wey you dey see sister na chop and clean mouth dey dey may you not listen any woman I wan use this media take talk to a lot of women. Any woman wey dey husband house maybe man dey toast you man dey talk to you sister you because of that one come dey do your husband or your anyhow no try am no try am as far as say you don born for dat man, the man don put money for your head. Just dey manage am dey go. Just dey manage am dey go. No just reason am say dat guy wey dey chat me, e dey tell me sweet sweet word, sister. Once e don see you, well na till duosi. Once e don see your duosi, don finish o, sister. No respect again o. E go just disgrace you. E go do, e go go. If you dey call am son, no dey pick again o. So if you dey with man, just bear things. Toneku waya egbe, no fwa waya segbe ewa no. Nobody is perfect for this life wey we dey. So husband house wey is sweet, e no dey o, my sister. So this husband house, today is sweet, tomorrow e bitter. Now understand? Out of 100, let me say 100%, make we just talk say 30% sweet, while the other 70% e no sweet at all. You understand, sister? So make you no your reason now say if you leave wetin dem dey call this our bros servige, say another akate go come carry you, because na akaterian na fit your na dey vien you warehouse, you know. No your reason now, shine. Emata Edo Tama, wey my sister, if you like, you take this advice. If you see this video, if you no even see am or you no take the advice, now you know age no dey by your side again. Even me wey dey suck, so at least person wey don dey plug 40. God, oh God. If you take my advice, you be woman, you take o. If you not take, you leave am o. I come make I come tell una the truth. I understand. So guys, I really appreciate every one of you that watching my video. Una not forget to share this video. Maybe if Shine not take this advice, another woman wey is a bat to fuck up, he go still take this advice. Okay, my lovely people, God bless you all for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. See you guys on my next video. Abeg my people, una help me subscribe to this channel, Lady Sweet Saga TV, okay? Because a YouTube Sweet Mother, but I go still dey update una daily for this my channel before they will give me back. Now know how e dey be now. See you guys later. Bye.